Stangibelisco here. I have a question to ask you concerning vacuum tubes versus solid state devices, in particular power transistors. I've heard a lot of, rumors or technical talk to the effect that audiophiles, musicians, guitar players, bands, things like that, entities like that, prefer vacuum tube amplifiers over their solid state counterparts because they claim that the sound quality is better and richer, both in terms of reproduction equipment and in terms of actual band production equipment. Do you have any experience in this? Do you have any analysis, any suggestions, any experience? Or do you think it's just a bunch of hogwash, a psychological effect, a sort of an illusion generated by the idea that tubes, because they're more substantial and massive, ought to sound better? But in reality, they don't. But then again, reality sometimes is more what we perceive than what is actually the case. Your input, please. Stangibelisco signing off. Until next time, so long.